up and welcome back to Shaken Not Slurred. Okay, cool. So today we will be making a very simple recipe, super quick, not a lot of ingredients. You may have heard of it. It's called the Cosmopolitan. So we have some vodka, some triple sec or some orange liqueur, and some simple syrup. And let's just get right into it. Okay, so I already have ice in here. Oh, well, before we get started, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done that already. So let's get right into the recipe. So first we'll start with about 2 ounces of vodka directly into our shaker filled with ice, not glass. So about 2 ounces of that. We will then do about 3/4 ounces of triple sec. If I can get the bottle open. There we go. We'll do about 3/4 ounces of that. Almost poured too much. So about 3/4 ounces of triple sec. We'll follow that with about 3/4 ounces of fresh lime juice. Like so. And then we have some cranberry juice. So this is unsweetened cranberry juice. So we will be doing about 1 ounce of that. And so just for a side note, if you're using regular cranberry juice, you can just omit this next ingredient. Since I'm using unsweetened cranberry juice, I will be adding some simple syrup as well. So I will do about 3/4 ounces of simple syrup. Directly into our glass like so. And then we will just give that a good shake. Okay, so directly into our stemless martini glass. We will double strain that, get the ice shards out. Like so. We will set that aside. And we will go ahead and cut our lime for that garnish. This knife isn't that sharp. So like so, we will add our lime to the side for a little garnish. Oop. And voila, there you have it, a Cosmopolitan cocktail. Let's give that a taste. That is actually really good. I will have to say this is probably my first time actually having Cosmopolitan. Taste the lime juice, triple sec, cranberry juice makes it slightly tart, but the simple syrup kind of cuts that. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more content coming. And if you have any feedback, any suggestions for drinks, go ahead and drop those in the comments. Until next time.